We use water every day. Have you ever thought about where our water comes from? This story about Splash and his friends will give you a better idea of water and how it moves around the earth.
You know, we really have it good here. This lake is peaceful and relaxing, and we're never bothered.
Except by the occasional bass.
That's true, Aqua. Other than that, we really have a good life as water droplets. Hey, Aqua, have you seen Hubert, Harry, and Olivia around today?
No, come to think of it, I didn't see them yesterday either.
I wonder where they could be.
They're all gone, Splash.
Who are you?
I'm Eva, the evaporator. When the sun comes out, I get to work. When it gets warm, water droplets heat up and turn into water vapor.
So they disappear?
No, silly. They evaporate into the sky. From there, they form clouds.
How does that happen?
Splash, my dear, you'll find out soon enough.
What the?
Welcome to the clouds, Splash.
Who are you?
The name's Carl Condensation. It's a pleasure to finally meet you.
Thanks. Mind telling me how I got here?
Well, you met Eva. She helped introduce all sorts of water droplets to me. Once you heat up enough, you evaporate, and when things heat up, they rise. Once high enough, you cool down and condensed, or stuck together with lots of other water droplets. That's where these clouds come from.
I always wondered how clouds formed. I guess now I know.
It's not that simple, but that'll do for now.
Man, I sure do miss the lake.
Did you say lake? Which one?
You mean there are others?
Ha! Of course there are thousands, and huge oceans and small ponds and rivers and streams.
Not to be rude, but who are you, and how do you know all this?
You can call me Drip.
I couldn't.
I insist. You see, I've been all around the Earth's atmosphere, and I've been called a lot worse. Some of us just age worse than others.
What does that mean?
It means we've all been here since the time the Earth was formed. Some of us just get moved around a lot. I've been to every corner of the world and back again and again and again.
That sounds cool. Mind if I tag along?
Sure thing, Splash, but you never know when we'll part ways.
I'm having a blast.
Me too, kid.
I'm glad we bumped into each other. How about you? Drip?
Looks like we got separated, kid. Don't forget all the fun and laughs. See you again someday.
And so continues Splash's adventure. It really is a never-ending story. You know, the same basic steps have been going on for billions of years, and probably will for many years to come. With the help of Drip and Splash, one day the whole world will learn to understand and appreciate the importance of the water cycle.